मुंबई महापालिकेचे आयुक्त इक्बाल चहल बोलतायत, थेट जाऊयात.
More than 400 crores, and that also may get recovered if because of 50% incentive, some volume is increased. But assuming no volume is increased, still the loss cannot be more than 400 crores. Not 10,000 crore, not 6,000 crore. आणि पुढचे वर्षी जो 21-22 आहे ते वर्षामध्ये आपल्याला जे काही 2200 कोटी शॉर्टफॉल आहे, एरियर आहे, जो लोक भरू शकले नाही ते सुद्धा मिळणार आहे आपल्याला. उलट नेक्स्ट इयर मध्ये हे 2200 कोटी ॲडिशनल उपलब्ध होणार आहे, besides normal recoveries of next year. And because of that, that is why we are very hopeful that next year there will be a big jump in our revenue. That is why आम्ही 39,000 crore budget तयार केला या वर्षी, which is almost 16.7% increase over the last budget in total budget size. So this is very important point which I want to drive home. So to No. Supposing if I am a real estate developer and I was to build a project and my premium was 100 crore rupees, I have got 50% permanent rebate. So I will get 50 crore only. Remaining 50 crore, no area will come to me. So I am saying that amount is 2,200 crores. No. We had revised our budget in December only. Yeah. (1920) हाँ. Yeah, that was 3880, 3,880 कोटी. No. Government said that on 14th of January. We had decided in December only, because that. Yeah. No, you are partly correct, partly incorrect, because in November, December, when we did the exercise, we knew less property taxes coming. We knew that less this 50 premium thing will come. We took the overall picture into consideration, and overall we reduced the budget by 20 to 59 crores, which included reduction in property tax also. It was just not on premium thing only. But in the present, yeah. We have not written off. In fact, my personal belief is that with the, like for example, government did reduced stamp duty from 6% to 2%, and in the month of October, the government collected 8,000 crore rupees, 8,200 crore rupees. It has broken the records of October 19 and October 18 also. So I am also hopeful that the volume will increase so much, we may exceed the budget, exceed the target 3,800 crores. Because supposing one project is 100 crore rupees, and that project was not getting viable, so BMC was getting 0. But now, if that 50 crore makes the project viable, I may get 50. So in number of projects, I may get this additional amount. No, it is not a question of writing off. It is a question of estimating and reducing our expenditure. Assuming that this time there may be revenue shortfall. So revenue shortfall can be on various fronts. It can be like doing maafi to hotels in the property tax, in the kindness package. It could be because in hoardings we waived off 4 months license fees. It could be projected loss because of some other issues. So all put together, we take a holistic approach when we do the revised estimate of the budget. Revised estimate is not done because of one factor. एक मिनट आप मैं जरा उसको पूरा करता हूं, फिर आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना मेरे से. लेट मी गिव मी सम मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. पुढचा इश्यू असा आहे की गव्हर्नमेंटकडे आम्ही एक अशी मागणी केली आहे की मुंबईच्या एक इंटिग्रेटेड सुस्टेनेबल आणि प्रॉपर डेव्हलपमेंट होण्यासाठी मुंबईमध्ये एकच सक्षम प्राधिकरण चाहिए, एकच नियोजन प्राधिकरण असायला पाहिजे. There should be single planning authority like other cities of the country and world. Every major city in the world has only one planning authority. But Mumbai is an exception where you have multiple planning authorities. You have MMRDA, you have SRA, you have MHADA, you have BPT, you have BMC. आता याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, सर्व ठिकाणी वॉटर सप्लाय आमच्याच आहे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आमचीच आहे, परंतु different planning authority, they are working in different zones and त्याचे इंटिग्रेशन होत नाही. So a long period of time it can lead to something which is not integrated development in the town. So आम्ही शासनाकडे वारंवार मागणी करत आहे आणि आमच्या लेखी सुद्धा प्रस्ताव गेलेला आहे गव्हर्नमेंटकडे आफ्टर डिस्कशन्स विथ द गव्हर्नमेंट दॅट हे मल्टिपल जो प्लॅनिंग अथॉरिटीज आहेत they should be abolished and this BMC should be declared a single planning authority in the city of Mumbai. So to have a holistic integrated development of the city. So government has given us very good response. So I want to share with you that MCGM to be declared as a unified planning authority, this is an advanced stage now. Next point is that there was a constant demand, सतत एक मागणी होती कफ पिरियडचे जे लोक आहे, आपले नागरिक आहेत कफ पिरियडमध्ये राहणारे, की ते वर्षोनवर्ष ते त्यांची प्लॅनिंग अथॉरिटी MMRDA आहे. आता तिथे काही गार्डन्स आहे, की रस्ते सफाई आहे, की नाळा सफाई आहे, तिथे लोकांचं म्हणणं असं आहे की MMRDA एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट अथॉरिटी आहे, त्यांच्या काम हे सिव्हिक अम्युनिटीज पुरवण्याचे नाही, म्हणून ते कमी पडते हे सिव्हिक अम्युनिटीज प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी. म्हणून त्यांचे अनेक वेळी डेलिगेशन मला भेटलेले आहे की आम्हाला तुम्ही BMC मध्ये सामील करा, जेणेकरून BMCचे स्वीपर्स, BMCचे सफाई कामगार, BMCचे गार्डन मेंटेन करणारी यंत्रणा त्या भागामध्ये काम करून लोकांना ते एक चांगली सोय सुविधा आपण प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो फॉर द एंटायर कॉर्पोरेट एरिया. तसेच मरीन ड्राईव्ह आहे, ते सुद्धा आज प्लॅनिंग अथॉरिटी त्याची MMRDA आहे.